Welcome to the world of crochet with Pick Stitch. One more in the series of accessories. Requirement for diamond mesh choker, crochet needle, cotton yarn, a circular or oval brooch. To start with, we'll first make diamond mesh. Earlier we have seen in video how to make diamond mesh. Just quick review of the diamond mesh video. Now here is the lace made by diamond mesh. We'll join it with the help of crochet. One chain, join edges with the help of crochet, single crochet, one chain, one single crochet, one chain. Likewise, we'll join till end. We'll join edges lengthwise. After joining, the lace is ready. We'll add a brooch to it and choker is ready to wear. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.